Hello everyone and welcome back to the second part of the January 2023 Greenburg train show. We have a huge haul for the second day here. More than the first actually, which is surprising. We have 7 cars, 8 actually total because one of them is a double. But anyways, let's just get straight on to unboxing these and we'll get a train running with all the new cars from yesterday and today. So we'll start off with this new Atlas rail box TTX. No, just rail box. Nationwide boxcar pool RBOX number 18033. High cube boxcar. So let's open it up. And pop this out. I'm gonna try not to do what I did last time and try not to drop a car. So that wasn't that fun. Put that over there and we'll just do a quick review. So let's grab this in. Let's take a quick look. So looking at the bus car itself, it's very detailed. I don't know if you guys can see that the light is not great in here, but it looks good. I really like the logo and the road number. The bumps on the side are really nice too. Logos all come out really nice. There's a lot of good decals there, if you guys can see that. Same over here. Trucks look good, good couplers. Same thing on the other side. Big door, doesn't slide open. I don't mind, but we'll put this one on the last, so I'm just actually going to take my train over here. This is all the stock from yesterday, honestly. Such a great haul. It was a lot of money, but that's beside the point. Honestly, just had a blast, and I'm excited to go to the Hampton one to buy even more rolling stock. The good C6 hoppers and the Terra chemicals car I got yesterday. And anyways, stop this over here and just put this guy on. Woo. Rolls really nicely. It'll fit along nicely with all the other cars that we have. Oops. Go. Go. And the second car is actually going to be another Atlas rail box high cube box car number 17721. So we'll get this guy open and also put him on there. I bought 2 of these because, hey, the more the merrier. Honestly, if I'm gonna buy high cubes, might as well buy as many as I can get. The only thing I disliked about this year's Greenburg train show is that there was not a great selection, or well, there weren't any center beam cars that I could find. There were a lot of bulkheads, but no center beams. Anyways, this car looks a lot like the other one. It's pretty much the same except that it has a different road number there. And yeah, overall, nice car. We'll get it on the layout with the other one. And we'll get on to the next car. Most of the stuff is Atlas. I do believe there are a couple Microtrains, but not too many. Oh yeah, there's this. So next car is going to be this Fox Valley model N-scale Burlington Northern Hopper, road number 455503. Let's get this open right here and take a quick look. So at first look, the car looks really nice. There's a lot of detail. They're like these 3 bays, except that it's like an older version and it's more boxy, not as round. I really do like all the decals though. I'll turn on there if that'll focus. And the nice being Cascade Green is always a pleasure. It's a 3-bay hopper. Nice top too. It's actually like this Terra Chemicals one I got. So we'll put this guy on the layout and see what's next. This is probably, no, the next car will be halfway. I did a bigger haul than yesterday. A lot more cars. Just gonna move this up a bit. There we go. And the next car, oh, this one's gonna be a good one. It's this N-Scale Microtrains CSX weathered gondola. I don't know if you guys can see that too well, but it's road number 488026. I'm gonna pop this off so you guys can get a better view. Oh. Tops on these cars are a little iffy. Squeeze it right, there we go. So take this off. And yeah. Here's the car. It is weathered. It's Microtrains. Very good for the price I got it for. These weathered cars are usually a lot more than this one is, or it was. But yeah, we're gonna get this one on the layout. I will be getting scrap loads for that one and my C&O gondola back there. Just cause it's always better to run it with the load. I just haven't ordered some from eBay yet, so I'll get that in a week or so probably. This box. Alright, there we go. And next up is also Microtrains. It is this CSX X C&O 3-bay hopper, row number 203310. So we'll get this one off. Top off this one. And take a quick glance. So I forgot to put this car on. Oh, it's nice and heavy. It's got a good way down there. Rolls nicely. Yeah, here is the XC&O CSX 3-bay hopper with awesome weathering. Row number 203310. Or this is actually a 2-bay. Pop this out of the case here. And I'll put this back and we'll take a quick look. That CSX gondola marked halfway of this stuff, so there's still a lot more to come. Oh, these tops are so tedious. Yeah, I guess I got it on. Anyways, moving on. We'll get this guy on the tracks. Actually, I'll spend it first. So overall, unit looks very nice. See no marking there. And the detail on the bottom is very sharp. I like it. Well, I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's some very nice things on the bottom. Nice and dirty. I really like that weathering. And the things on the top. So good couplers as always. And yeah, this unit looks really good, so we'll get it on the layout too. This one's also kind of heavy. Alright, we'll move this train up a bit and get the next car. We have two, technically three left. But yeah, moving on. Second to last car, we have this Atlas N-Scale X Conrail, I guess now NS coil car with NS coil shields. I was really excited for this one. This was really cool too. So I'll just take this off and split this in a sec. But yeah, not weathered, but honestly this car looks really nice. Road number CR628427. Really like these coil shields, the things that stick out on top too. Bottom is nicely detailed. Unit looks nice overall. So we'll get this one on the layout and move on to the last two, or one, I guess you could say. Alright guys, so this was actually the final car I got. I couldn't record it because it took way too long to set up, but basically it's a double articulated auto rack carrier, or auto carrier. NS road number 110102. It's really nice actually. I really like it, and yeah, we're gonna get a train running with all these new cars from today and yesterday. So yeah, let's get that going. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching today's video. I'll try to get one out tomorrow. I saw an Amtrak in Richmond today, so I'll try to get that out. But anyways, yeah, thanks for watching. If you guys did enjoy, please let me know down in the comments. I'll try to. This was a really good haul. I'm thinking either an end of train device for the end car, or just like a more cars in general, like a center room or something. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching, and let me know in the comments what you want to see next. And yeah, have a great rest of your night, and thanks for watching.